If you're tired of juggling mismatched pans, dealing with coatings that wear out too fast, or worrying about what chemicals you're cooking with every day, this video is for you. A good cookware set should make cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable, not stressful. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this Useluck pots and pans set non-stick, non-toxic 22 pieces ceramic cookware set, a complete kitchen solution designed for modern home cooks who want performance, safety, and style in one package. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's talk about what makes this set stand out and why it might be the last cookware upgrade you need for a long time. What's included and first impressions. One of the first things you notice about the Useluck cookware set is how complete it is. This isn't a starter kit that leaves you filling in gaps later. This is a full 22-piece ceramic cookware set designed to handle nearly every cooking task. You get multiple frying pans in different sizes, saucepans for everyday cooking, casseroles for larger meals, a dedicated crepe pan, tempered glass lids, silicone utensils, a spoon rest, and pan protectors for storage. Everything matches, everything feels intentional, and the cream white granite finish gives your kitchen a clean, modern look. Right out of the box, the cookware feels solid without being overly heavy, which is a good sign for long-term usability, health, and non-toxic cooking. One of the biggest selling points of this set is its 100% non-toxic ceramic coating. The Useluck cookware is completely free from PFOA, PFOS, and Teflon, which means you're not exposing your food or your family to harmful chemicals during everyday cooking. That's especially important if you cook frequently, prepare meals for kids, or simply want peace of mind in the kitchen. The ceramic coating allows you to cook with less oil while still achieving smooth food release, which supports healthier meals overall. Nonstick performance and cleanup. Performance-wise, the premium ceramic nonstick surface does exactly what it's supposed to do. Eggs slide off easily, sauces don't cling, and delicate foods like crepes or pancakes cook evenly without tearing. Cleanup is just as impressive. Most of the time, a quick wipe or rinse is all it takes. The smooth ceramic surface prevents food from sticking or burning on, which means less scrubbing and more time saved after meals. Heat distribution and compatibility. Underneath that ceramic coating is a heavy-gauge aluminum core designed to distribute heat evenly across the pan. This helps prevent hot spots, reduces burning, and gives you better control, especially important for simmering, sautéing, or low and slow cooking. The Useluck cookware set is also compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. That flexibility makes it a great choice whether you're upgrading your kitchen or planning for future changes. Key features and highlights. 22-piece complete cookware set for total kitchen coverage, that non-toxic ceramic coating free from PFOA, PFOS, and Teflon. Excellent non-stick performance for easy cooking and cleanup, that heavy-gauge aluminum core for even heat distribution, that induction-ready and compatible with all stovetops. Glass lids for easy monitoring while cooking. Included utensils and pan protectors. For added value. Who this cookware set is best for. This cookware set is ideal for home cooks who want one complete, coordinated solution instead of buying pieces one at a time. It's great for families, first-time homeowners, apartment kitchens, and anyone focused on healthier, non-toxic cooking without sacrificing performance or style. Final thoughts. The Useluck 22 pieces non-toxic ceramic cookware set delivers where it matters most: safe materials, reliable non-stick performance, even heating, and incredible value in one beautifully designed package. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with cookware that works as hard as you do, click the link in the description too. Check it out now. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. And if you want more honest, in-depth kitchen reviews, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.